Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
The difficulty is that we do not want to become a regular student. Haphazard state, here and there, but I remain the same. It is a science. Vedas says, tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva vigachet. If you are serious to learn about that, tad vijnana. Tad vijnana. Gurumeva vigachet. You must go to a bona fide guru who can teach you. Nobody is serious. Everyone is thinking I am free, although he is pulled by the air, by nature. You have done like this, come on, sit down. This is going on, Prakriti. Ahankara vimurama bhakta hammeti mannate. The rascal, be fooled by his false ego. He is thinking, I am independent. Those who are thinking like that, they have been described in the Bhagavad Gita, ahankara vimurama. By false ego, he is bewildered and thinking, what I am thinking is all right. No, you cannot think in your own way. You must think as Krishna says, then you are right. Otherwise, you are thinking under the spell of Maya, that's all. Trivignoi bhavi mohita navijanati mameva paramam. Maya tapsina prakriti swete sachara. You think that read Bhagavad Gita thoroughly, follow the rules and regulations, then your life will be successful. And so long you will go, this is also right, that is also right, then you will not in the right path. You will always misled, that's all. That is not good. What Krishna says, that is right. That should be the. Otherwise they will be misled. So we are trying to preach this philosophy in that way. Maybe very small number. But ekashchandas namohanti nachatara sahasra. If there is one moon, that is sufficient. What is the use of millions of stars twinkling? So that is all propaganda. If one man can understand what is Krishna philosophy, then my preaching is successful. That's all. We don't want many millions of stars with no light. What is this? Millions of stars with no light. That is Chanakya Pandit's advice. Baram eka putra nacha murkha satanati. One son, if he is learned, that is sufficient. Nacha murkha satanati. What is the use of hundreds of sons? All fools understand. Ekaschandastamo-hanti nachatara sarasya. One moon is sufficient to illuminate. There is no need of millions of stars. Similarly, we are not after many millions of disciples. I want to see that one disciple has understood Krishna philosophy. That is success. Krishna says, Jatatamati siddhyana kaschit vetti mam tat. So first of all, to become siddha is very difficult job. And then Jatatamati siddhyana, very still difficult job. So Krishna philosophy is little difficult to understand. They are understanding so easily. That is not understanding. It is easy. It is easy. If we accept Krishna's words, it is very easy. Where is the difficulty? Krishna says, Man-mana bhava mad-bhakta mad-jani ma-namasku. Always think of me. So where is the difficulty? We are seeing Krishna's picture, Krishna's deity, and if we think Krishna, where is the difficulty? After all, we have to think something. So instead of something, why not think Krishna? Where is the difficulty? But it does not take seriously. He has to think so many things, except Krishna. And Krishna said, Man-mana bhava. There is no difficulty to take to Krishna consciousness. Not at all. But people will not take it. That is the difficulty. And they will argue. Simply. Kutarka. Krishna says, Man-mana bhava mad-bhakta. Where is the argument against it? You are saying that they may not think of Krishna, they may not say about Krishna. And Krishna says, Man-mana bhava mad-bhakta. This is argument. This is not philosophy. Philosophy is there, direct. You should do like this, that's all. You do it and get the result. You go to purchase something, if the price is fixed, you pay the price and take it, that's all. What is the argument? If you are serious about that thing, you may pay price and take it. That is the advice of Srila Rupa Goswami. Krishna bhakti rasabhavitamati kriyatam jadi kutopi labhati. If you can purchase somewhere the thinking of Krishna, Krishna bhakti rasabhavitamati, that is, we have translated into Krishna consciousness. If you can purchase this consciousness, Krishna consciousness, somewhere, immediately purchase. Krishna bhakti rasabhavitamati kriyatam. Just purchase. Jadi kutopi labhati. If it is available somewhere. And if I have to purchase, then what price? Tatra laulam ekam mullam. Na janma koti bhi labhati. If you want what is the price, he says the price is your eagerness. And that eagerness to attain it takes many millions of births. Why you want Krishna? Because the other day I said that if one has seen Krishna, he will become mad after it. That is the sign.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,